Hi folks, Patrick Whitson here with Aquatic Control. On site today where we just completed an installation of 3 beautiful fountains, 2 diffused aeration systems in 2 separate ponds. While we were here, we thought we would just take a quick minute to go over 5 reasons why you may also consider aeration for your pond. So before we get into the top 5 reasons today, I'd just like to recap what an aeration system does. And it's pretty simple. Whether you have a surface aerator or diffused aeration, the goal is to drive dissolved oxygen levels into the water, increase overall oxygen levels for your pond. In no particular order, we're going to dive right into reason number 1. First reason to consider an aeration system for your pond would be to prevent fish kills. Fish kills can happen from harmful turnover events, and they can also happen due to planktonic algae being built up, and then when that algae dies off, oxygen levels drop. So an aeration system allows you to buffer that oxygen drop, have higher level of oxygen within the pond, and help your fish get through those events. Reason number 2 would be to prevent organic buildup from accumulating at the bottom of your pond over time. And the way that this happens is that the dissolved oxygen increase that you get from the aeration system encourages aerobic bacteria growth. Those aerobic bacteria are the most effective types of bacteria at breaking down organic matter. So increased oxygen, increased bacteria, a reduction in organic materials at the bottom of your pond. Reason number 3 would be to decrease nutrient levels that feed plant and algae growth. If you're seeing continued plant and algae growth with your pond, an aeration system might be able to fight that nutrient level, and you may see some physical reduction in that algae, some physical reduction in plant growth, possibly reduced costs for treatment. Reason number 4 to install an aeration system would be to increase habitat for fish in the summer months. Without an aeration system, many times your fish might be captured in the top 4 to 5, 6 feet of water, and though they may have cover there, there's cover below that depth that they can't access. With an aeration system, you can put oxygen down deeper into the water, allow fish to that access that they need to get down to that structure and be able to hold on it there. Reason number 5, and a reason that everybody's going to like, is that you're going to see increased fish activity from the increased oxygen levels. You're going to see better feeding habits, you're going to see better growth rates, and you're going to have an overall better fishing experience. I hope you find the information presented today to be informative. If you have any additional questions, comments, please feel free to give us a call or leave a comment in the comments section, and we hope to hear from you soon.